Welcome to 1 Minute with Juanpa. Here receiving an amazing lesson today. Had all my day planned, and as you see, I'm here in the middle of Bali, kind of lost in the cars. Came to do a little errand to get my visa for New Zealand. And you know, nothing planned, but how can we do everything that's needed to be done with a good attitude? Positive, connected, thankful that we are present, that we are doing whatever is needed to be done. So no have-tos, no sacrifice, relax, breathe, enjoy the ride. I just had the best ride ever in the middle of traffic. Oh my God, it was crazy. But you know, my intention was, it's flow, it's perfect, it's divine. I accept it, and my visa is already accepted. I can see it, I can feel it. I choose to flow in love all the time. What about you? Love you so much.